Hello, everyone. I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, CEO, Adrenaline Global Online Educational Services. Now, in this particular video in organic chemistry, we're going to be talking about a very important short clip on why staggered conformations tend to be more stable than the eclipsed ones. Now, it is one aspect of chemistry that is centered around the conformations of the alkanes. Now, let us talk about the staggered and the eclipse in connection with hyperconjugation and steric hindrance. Now, in staggered conformation, we should understand that the bonds are spaced out. Not only that the bonds are spaced out, the electrons tend to spread out, and as they spread out, they share their electrons, thereby creating what now? Thereby creating space for there to be a sharing of their what now? Of their electrons. And if that happens, the energy tend to be lower. Is that clear? The energy tend to be lower. And this stability effect is what we call the hyperconjugation. Unlike that of the eclipse, where the electrons, the bonds, lies behind each other. And because normally electrons or bonds want to spread out, or electrons they tend to repel each other, what happen? It thereby results to the clashing of this electron in the case of the eclipse what now? Conformation. And this is what result in what we call the steric hindrance. Why? The energy tends to be up, right? Resulting in the instability and resulting in the clashing of these bonds. And this is why the staggered conformations are more stable. Now, I'm going to be taking for you an example, which is the ethane C2H6. If I'm to draw the Newman's projection for that, be very, very sensitive here. We represent the first carbon with a dot, right? While the second carbon to be this, right? Then you spread it out like this. Here is H, H, H. Now, side. Now, what you are seeing here is the eclipse conformation. Now, let's draw for the staggered now. Okay. This is for staggered conformation. This is for staggered. This is for what now? Eclipse. As you can see, in staggered, what are you seeing here? The bonds are spaced out. Normally, electrons love where they can be freer and happier. And because of that, they prefer this staggered. And this stability effect, as what I told you, is hyperconjugation. And this is a brief summary of that. Now, in our next video, we're going to be drawing more structures of alkanes using the Newman's projection. Thank you. God bless you. Do well to like, share, and subscribe.